Hello students, in this video I will show you how to make a quiz with the help of PowerPoint. So here in this video we are trying to create one quiz type session in which we have taken few slides. Every question offers some possible answers. User can register answers by clicking on the next button to the answer. If the answer is correct answer slide is displayed with the button, or if it's a wrong answer, then incorrect answer slide will display. And every question slide should have next button to navigate to next slide. Here I'll give you the demo of that quiz. So first, let's open the PowerPoint, start PowerPoint, choose a theme and create the title slide of your choice. Here I have taken randomly one design from the design tab and I will try to make my title of the quiz, that is GK quiz. So here I made the first slide. Then I will take a new slide. For that new slide I will take and I will type a question here. So here I have typed randomly one question, that what is the capital of Rajasthan? Below that I have written 4 options. That is Jaipur, Udaipur, Kanpur and Kota. Now next I will take another new slide in which I will type the next question, that is who is Newton? I'll randomly make 4 options for that. Painter, artist, then next I have written teacher and scientist, 4 options. So now I'll click for writing the new slide. Here I am writing correct answer for the correct option. I am making the slide for correct answer. So here I am writing correct answer, well done, and I'll insert one shape smiley. Okay, so here you can see. I'll make the font little bit big so that you can easily understand it. Then I will take one more new slide in which I will write wrong answer. If you select one answer and if it is wrong, then the wrong answer slide will display. So we will write oops, you missed it. Never mind, try again. And I'll increase my font. Okay, so here it is. Now we'll go to the first question slide. Here we will insert one more button. Okay, let's take a button from the insert. Go to insert shapes. At the down side you will see action buttons. You'll take the forward button, forward or next button. Okay, so you just take that button, hold your mouse, and just you will see one dialog box is opened. So here hyperlink to next slide is written automatically, so we'll simply click OK because we want to move forward, okay, to the next slide. That's why. So now my button is linked with the next slide. Now in the next question also I'll insert the same button. Okay, here I have taken only 2 questions for the reference. Okay, you can make the beautiful quiz by taking more questions. So yes, we are moving to our first question, in which 4 options are there. I'll increase the font size so that it is visible. Now we'll select our first option and go to insert tab. Here you will find action tab. Click on that, click on the hyperlink to and go to the option slide. Okay, we have to, Jaipur is our correct answer, so slide 4 is the correct answer slide. So we'll click on it. While this slide will appear, we'll have to play one applause sound, so we'll select the sound from it. So when we select the option, our correct option is with round applause. Now Udaipur and other 3 options are the wrong options, so we link our slide with the wrong answer slide, that is slide 5. Okay, as you can see here, simply click on OK. Here we'll play the different sound because this is the wrong answer slide, so we'll play for example coin sound. Okay, so when we select the wrong answer, the coins music will come. Same way we will repeat the process for Kanpur and Kota. Dear students, you have to try it at your home by yourself. You can make more options, you can make it more interactive with number of transitions and animations, so it will be a beautiful project for you. So yes, now here this is the second question. This I'm not updating the second question, just same for the first question we can do with the second question. So now I will be going to slideshow option, and from beginning I'll play my slideshow. I'll be going to the slide and just select the first, the wrong option, that is Kanpur. So as you can see, one music has come and oops, you missed it, never mind, try again, slide has opened. Now again I'll play, and now I will select the correct option, that is Jaipur. Okay, so with the music my slide is displayed. So here is the end of our presentation. Next thing is the button, in which you can when you select the button, it will navigate to the next slide. Yes, the next question has come. So in this way we can make our presentation.